In mains written exam, a total of 1750 marks. For a total of 1750 marks, you had to appear for mains written. In that, a total of 7 papers whose marks will be counted, and 2 more papers whose marks will not be counted. Okay, 2 papers for which the marks will not be counted is paper A and paper B. Paper A is an Indian language paper, any Indian language. Okay, so you have to choose one Indian language. It is not necessary that it has to be your mother tongue or it has to be the language in which you studied. Okay, so for example, if at all you are from, let's say you're from Maharashtra, you are from Marathi, and you had studied in Marathi also, and then later you switch to Hindi, and now you want to write in Hindi, you can write so. There's no compulsion over there. You can choose any one Indian language. And there are certain exemption to some of the candidates from Northeast. Okay, so जिनके लिए ये जो Indian languages का list में कोई भी नहीं है, तो उनके लिए exemption है, ये paper attempt नहीं करने हैं आपको. Okay, the paper is for 300 marks. In that you just have to clear the passing marks. Once you clear the passing marks, फिर इसमें eligibility आएगा आपको. ठीक है? Same is with the Indian language. Sorry, English language. English language is common for everyone. सबके लिए same ही होगा all over India, including our Northeast students. सबके लिए तो English language लिखनी है. ठीक है? So after these two comes the papers whose marks will be counted. Okay, so there are a total of how many papers? 7 papers. 7 papers, each paper 250 marks. 250 into 7, 1750. Okay? So in that, paper 1 is essay. Paper 2 is GS1. Paper 3 is GS2. Paper 4 is GS3. Paper 5 is GS4. Till here it is common for everyone. सबके लिए single paper है. ठीक है? Paper 6 and paper 7 is your optional paper where you have to choose one optional out of a total of 48 subjects.